isosceles triangle. Now this really isn't too bad here. It's going to be doing a lot of the same stuff that we've already done. But what an isosceles triangle is, two sides are the same. Now what that means is the two angles at the end of the matching sides, those are equal to each other. So in my little drawing here, we call this one X and that one Y. Those are equal. Now you don't do that. That's just a guide to say, hey, those are equal. Now when we actually do a question here, like number 1, we're looking for X. Now this side and that side, those slashes mean that those are matching, those are equal. So the angles down here are equal. So this one's 55 as well. Then to find X, it's just the 3 angles of a triangle always add up to 180. So that's 110 minus 110, 7. Now on 2, just be careful, because here, those two sides are the same, so those two angles match, so this one's also X. So then you got X plus 76 equals 180. 2X plus 76 equals 180. Minus the 76, you get 104. Divide by 2. 50. On 3, these two are the same, so that one's 76. So this is like the first one. So X plus 76 plus 76 equals 180. 76 plus 76 is 152. Minus 152. So you get 28. Number 4, don't let this one fool you. Hey, these are the sides that are equal, so those two are equal. Those two angles. So X is equal 42. Easy. Five, here are the two equal sides, so the angles at the bottom of those, at the end of those angles are equal. So X equals 54. On 6, here are my equal sides, so the angles at the end of those are equal. So that one's 69 as well. 69 plus 69 plus X equals 180. You get 138. Minus 138, 42. Now 7, there's a 65 there as well, so 65 plus 65 plus X equals 180. That's 130. Minus 130, 50. 8, now there's another X. X plus 44 equals 180. 2X plus 44 minus the 44, that gives you 136. Divide 136 by 2, 68. Now, I don't have a ton of time to finish this, so I'm going to skip the next two are similar. We've already done ones like it. Now, I don't know why they do it like this, but this says the measure of angle 2 is 10 plus 5x. So that's 10 plus 5x there. I don't know why the program labeled it like that, but whatever. So same idea. Here are my matching sides, so that's also 70. 70 plus 70 plus 10 plus 5x equals 180. You add those up, you get 150. Minus 150. Divide by 5. X is 6. 12, same idea here. That's x plus 52. So x plus 52 plus, that one's 67, so the other one's 67. Now we'll add all that up. Oops. So you minus 186, x is negative 6. Like I said, I don't have a ton of time, so I'm going to skip 13. Now 14 is different. It says angle 2 is x plus 82. Now, like we've been doing, at the ends of these, those two angles are equal. Since it's isosceles, the bottom two angles got to match. So x plus 82 equals 73. Subtract 82, negative 9. Okay. Now it gets a little bit more complicated the next couple here. We got a couple triangles put together. So just watch how this goes. We want to start from the number, try to figure something out. These two sides are equal, so that must be 57. Then, hey, right there, if we go through that intersection like we were talking about last week, those are vertical angles. They're equal. So that one's 57. Hey, that means that one's the same thing, since this other triangle's isosceles. Again, those two slashes mean those are equal to each other. So to find x, now we got just one triangle. X plus 57 plus 57 equals 180. That's 114. Minus 114. $66. Well, hold on. 16 is a little weird here. So let's start with what we know. 58. Now, forget about this triangle for a minute. This one's also 58. Now, this box down here, that means both of them together are 90. So let's just find that one right there, that part of it. And I already used x, so let me use y. 58 plus 58 plus y equals 180. 58 plus 58 is 116. Minus 116, you get 64. Now, the way that helps us, this whole thing is 90. That right there is 64. So the small angle in my other triangle is 90 minus 64, which is 26. So right in here, this little angle is 26. Now that one's x. So we got to do more. X plus x, so that's 2x, plus 26 equals 180. subtract 180. You get 154. Divide that by 2. 75. Quite a few steps in that one. 17. And this is, I only have time for 17 and 18 here. So 17, again, let's figure out what we got. We have a number here. The 50's in between the angles, so that one's the different one. These two are equal. They're at the ends of the matching sides. There's another x up here, so I can't use x, I'll use y. So 50 plus y equals 180. 50 plus 2y equals 180. Minus the 50. Divide by 2, we get 65. So go back here and we'll look. 65. Oh, hey, wait. Right through an intersection, that's a vertical angle, so that's also 65. This one's nice now. Those are my two matching sides, so x and 65 are the same. They match. X equals 65. And 18 is like one of the earlier ones. Start with a number over here. Forget about this other triangle. 66. So 66 plus 66 plus, we'll call that one y. 180. So 132 plus y equals 180. Minus that 132, we get 48. So this small one down here is 48. The whole thing's 90. 90 minus 48 will be 42. So here we go. These match because it's isosceles, so x equals 40. Done. I gotta go because I got a class coming in here. So hopefully that'll help you out for this. And you weren't here, so just do the best you can. If you need more help later, we'll try to get you help.